Hello everyone! 大家好
I was just too excited. In that previous video, I explained how to make a request politely in a less formal way. Today, in this video, I will talk about how to express wanting to do something and your desire in Mandarin Chinese. Today's keyword is 要 and 想. My name is Karine. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. Before I start the video to explain 要 and 想, here are the answers for the quiz of the previous video. 麻烦你关门 Could you close the door, please? 你可不可以给我一杯水 Could you give me a glass of water? 你可不可以帮我接电话 Could you answer the phone for me? 要 is one of the most common Chinese words. The word 要 has several different meanings. Today is to focus on the auxiliary verb 要 is to indicate you want to do something or your desire. 要 literally means to want. 要 is the most direct and simple way of expressing a desire in Mandarin Chinese.
Let's look at the structure.
When you would like to express your desire or to express the thing you want, you can just add 要 in front of what you want in the sentence. Subject 要 Now mean that the thing you want. For example, 你要什么 What do you want? I want to focus to explain this sentence because the structure of this sentence with English is totally different. 你 means you. 要 means want. 什么 means what. So, literally directly translate is you want what. And in English means for what do you want. So this shows that English and Mandarin, the structures of the sentence is different. So you need to identify the sentence structures very well. Read again. 你要什么 Again. 你要什么 Next example is 我要那个玩具 I want that toy. Read again. 我要那个玩具我 means I. 要 means want. 那个 means that. 玩具 mean toy. Next example. 我要一杯水 I want a cup of water. Read again. 我要一杯水 The same. 我 means I. 要 means want. 一杯 means a cup. 水 means water. When you want to express that you want to do something, you can use this structure. Subject 要 Verb Object. When 要 is used before a verb, it means that the subject wants to do something. For example, 他要学中文 He wants to study Chinese. Read again. 他要学中文他 means he. 要 means want. 学 means study or learned. 中文 means Mandarin Chinese. Look at the next example. 我要吃肉 I want to eat meat. Read again. 我要吃肉我 means I. 要 means want. 吃 means to eat. 肉 means meat. Over here, 肉 can be any kind of meat, not mean for the raw meat. For example, probably like pork or maybe beef. Depends. It depends. If the subject doesn't want to do something, or you don't want to do something, you can use this structure. Subject 不要 Verb Object 不要 means don't want. For example, 我不要去英国 I don't want to go to the UK. Read again after me. 我不要去英国我 means I. 不要 means don't want. 去 means to go. 英国 means the UK or England. Next example. 他不要打篮球 He doesn't want to play basketball. Read again after me. 他不要打篮球他 means he. 不要 means don't want. 打 means to hit. Direct translate 打 really means to hit or beat. But over here, 打 means to play because they make phrase together with 篮球. 篮球 means basketball. 要 means for want. 要 is often used for something you want to or need to do and plan to take action on. That's why it sounds a little bit demanding. Another word which can interchangeable but sounds less demanding is 想. 想 is used for something you want to do but may or may not take action on. You can think of it as would like to. Let's see the examples and check the differences. 你要吃什么 What do you want to eat? 你想吃什么 What would you like to eat? So you may see 你要吃什么 is what you want to eat. Like you want to is more demanding that you really want. 你想吃什么 Like it will be sounds less demanding. What would you like to eat? Next example. 我要喝咖啡 I want to drink coffee. 我想喝咖啡 I would like to drink coffee. Do you identify the tone between these two sentences? 我要喝咖啡 is more demanding, like I really want to drink coffee and I want to have that coffee with me. 我想喝咖啡 is like I want to drink a cup of coffee but may or may not act on that. So, do you know the differences between 要 and 想 now? Thanks for watching! If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and most important, please subscribe my channel.